Hello my dear students of Beacon High School. Today we are going to learn how to make a paper fox. The fox is the smallest member of the dog family, although it also has many similarities with cat. Fox is a small animal slightly bigger than a cat or a medium-sized dog. Fox are one of the most well-known wild animals. So today I am going to teach you how to make a paper fox in an easy step by step. So let's start the work. We need the requirement craft paper of any color, pencil, black sketch pen, cutter and scale. As I told you, you can take any color craft paper and your craft paper should be of 20 by 20 centimeter. Again, I am repeating, your craft paper should be of 20 by 20 centimeter. After that, you are going to fold the craft paper in the center. Exact center, the corner, you have to take care of the corners and you are going to press with the thumb. The folding is very important here. Then after that, turn it and again one more fold in the center, so you will get a plus sign. Press it with the thumb, open it, you will get a plus sign. After getting a plus sign, this is the center. Now you are going to bring this corner to this corner. Again a multiplication sign will be there. Here you have to keep eye on the corners so that your folding will be accurate. Your folding should be accurate. You have to see the corners. Keep neatly on the corner and again press with your fingers. Just press it, open it. Now you got a plus sign and now you are going to make it a multiple sign. The same way, opposite of that, you are going to do and press it. In this way, all the four sides you will get. This is a plus sign, this is a multiplication sign. Okay, after that one, now see here, now you got a center point here. You are going to bring this point here exactly on the center and you are going to press it with your fingers. After that, you are going to turn this back side. Then now this line, you can see the center line. Now this line you are going to bring there and just open this part of a triangle and bring it on the center line to the center point. Hold with your left hand on the line and you're going to press this too with your right hand. Your pressing should be neatly. The linings, whatever we are doing by pressing, we have to see that one. Then turn it this way. After completing in this way, now this corner you are going to bring to this point, this corner to this point. So just pick it up, slowly you're going to go. This is the center line, you can see the center line. So through the center line you're going to bring the corner to the front point and just with inside finger you're going to press it here and this corner will go straight to here. you can see here this corner, this point will go. Again press with your fingers. You can see now this one. Again I am going to show you the same way, the same thing. Now after completing this much, this corner will go to this point and this point will go to here. We have to hold this point and just bring this one to the center and this point to here, and just press with your thumb neatly and tightly. After that, you can see the center line here, this center point you can see. Here you are going to take this corner and in the center to this line, of this line you are going to fold it opposite to the center, exactly to the center. All the corners you have to see the center line also. The same procedure you are going to do it here. Hold it, this one with the fingers, bring it to the center, to this point, this way, exact, and this corner to this one. Slowly you are going to go. This is little bit hard, but you have to pay your attention. If you concentrate on the work, your work will be perfect. Just press with your hand and this corner to this corner. Keep exactly on the same and just press with your finger. After pressing it with your finger, open it. The same procedure now. To the center line, you are going to fold this corner to the center. See the middle side also. You have to see all the corners. You have to pay your attention. It should come into the center line only. And again press with your thumb. And press it tightly so that the marking will be there. After that one, hold it in this way. Now you are going to fold it back side. In this way fold it and again press with your thumb so the marking will be there. Slowly and neatly you are going to press it, and now you will get a like this structure. After getting like this structure, you are going to fold it. You have to bring this corner to here in a straight way. Just hold the corner neatly and bring it in a straight line and just press inside here. You can see that how I am pressing. Please pay your attention here. This is very important. We are making the face of the fox. So here little bit problem you will get, but after paying the attention you can do it easily. The same way the another side we are going to go. Now this side the same way. Hold the corner and bring it here. This line should be accurate to this line, downside line. Press it downside and go upside with your thumb. Go it straight way so that it will be correct. Very good. You can do that one easily, but pay your attention here that your corner should not move or it should not go cross, so it will come correct. This much finished. Very nice. Now after that one the same way you are going to bring the corner here. You can see the straight line here, and with the thumb you are going to press it. Now after completing that procedure, this corner you are going to hold this corner of the face and you are going to bring it here to this corner, right side to the left side corner. Just hold it and just press it with your finger, and inside you are going to press the line in this way. The same way, opposite side you are going to go again. This left side you are going to bring it to the right side corner here. You can see the lines. After folding you will get the lines, and just go on folding upside all the lines so that it will be perfect. In this way, press it with your thumb and with your fingers. Check all the points, they are accurate. Now our face part is ready. Now we will go to the back side. Now you can see this corner, you can see this line. Hold this one and you are going to fold that corner here, upside here. Just press it with your thumb like this. Now open it again, and opposite side again you are going to press it the same way. This is also very important fold. Now after that one, just open it. Now just pay your attention here. Back side I am showing you. Just open it, all the parts. Now you can see the linings here. Up, down, up, down. You can see the linings here. Just press this one. This will go inside here, and this part will come upside. Just open all the part here. It will come up, and this in middle part will go inside. Just press it. Okay. Now this one, from downside finger you can press this one, and this corner to this line. You can see all the lines, you can see exactly. Just you have to press all the corners neatly, and you are going to fold it in this way. This will be the back side, the tail of the fox. Now after that one, now you can see here, in this way it will be. Now you can see this corner, exact this corner. You are going to fold, you are going to hold this all, and you are going to fold it here to your left side, line to line, and just press with your thumb neatly. You are going to rub it. After that one, now you can see this line, this corner, you can see this corner. Now you are going to fold this to this corner. Exactly to the line, the straight line, the horizontal line which is there, the base line. You are going to fold it, the tail side correctly, and you are going to press with your thumb. Now here your fox is ready. Now only one main thing you are going to do is that take a sketch pen. I will show you how the fox will look, and just both the sides you are going to make the eyes, the fox eyes, you know that cunning eyes of the fox, and make a nose. Fox is a very clever animal. Both the sides you are going to do, and just again press all the corners neatly, and I will make him stand here. While making stand him here, just press the ears of the fox neatly. Always the ears of the fox are open. A small noise also he can hear. So your fox is ready now. Now you can take any colorful paper and you can make a fox. See neatly, the folding is very important. Make a nice craft of a fox and enjoy. Thank you.